Mastering computer-aided manufacturing. CAM systems ignite a triple threat of streamlined workflows, enhanced product quality, and improved efficiency. Why do companies implementing computer-aided manufacturing (CAM) systems, which facilitate data-driven manufacturing, typically experience significant benefits in terms of streamlined workflows, enhanced product quality, and improved operational efficiency? Companies implementing computer-aided manufacturing (CAM) systems, which facilitate data-driven manufacturing, typically experience significant benefits in terms of streamlined workflows, enhanced product quality, and improved operational efficiency due to the following reasons. Firstly, CAM systems enable the integration of design, production, and quality control processes, thereby eliminating data redundancy and inconsistencies. This leads to streamlined workflows, reduced lead times, and minimized errors. Secondly, CAM systems facilitate the automation of manufacturing processes, allowing for the development of optimized production schedules, reducing machine downtime, and enabling real-time monitoring and control of production. This results in enhanced product quality, reduced scrap rates, and improved yields. Thirdly, CAM systems provide manufacturers with real-time data and analytics, enabling them to make data-driven decisions, identify areas for improvement, and optimize their operations. This leads to improved operational efficiency, reduced costs, and increased productivity. Finally, CAM systems enable manufacturers to simulate and model their production processes, allowing them to test and optimize their operations in a virtual environment before actual production. This reduces the risk of errors, minimizes waste, and enables the optimization of production processes. Overall, the implementation of CAM systems enables companies to transform their manufacturing operations, leading to significant benefits in terms of streamlined workflows, enhanced product quality, and improved operational efficiency.